Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Singh and today we're going to discuss about algebraic expression and their identities. So let's begin. First, we will talk about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay. So in first, if there's a plus b, you cannot add them. The same is for subtraction. You cannot subtract them because the terms are different. These are unlike terms. You cannot add or subtract unlike terms. If it's like if there are two apple and three mangoes, you cannot add them. You cannot write five apple and mangoes. It's not correct. So if there are like terms, then only you can add. For example, if there is 5a plus 8b plus a, you can add a and a, so it will be 6a plus 8b. You cannot add further because it's unlike terms. Same is for subtraction. If it's 5a plus 8b minus 8a, you will subtract a and a, it will be 4a plus 8b. You cannot subtract further because these are unlike terms, but here you can take common. And here also you can take common, okay? So now let's look at multiplication of algebraic expressions. Multiplication is four ways you can multiply. It's four ways you can multiply, okay? Now let's see the first. The first is multiplication of two monomials. Like for example, it is for example 6xy multiplied by 3x square y. In here you can multiply. If it's given that 6x multiplied by y, you can multiply. It will be 6 and y. But in addition subtraction you cannot. It will be 18x, x and x. Here will be x cube and y square. Okay. Now the second. The second is multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. Polynomial by a monomial. Okay. So in this the rule is a multiplied by b plus c will give a into b plus a into c. Okay. Now the third is multiplication of two binomials. Suppose a plus b multiplied by c plus d. Okay. Now, so it will be when you will multiply them, you will multiply a with c, then a with d, and then b with c, then b with d. So our answer will be then when we multiply after, our answer will be AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Okay. This is for two binomials. Okay. The last one is multiplication of two polynomials. Okay. Let's look at that. Fourth, two polynomials. In here it's like 5x squared. Suppose I take an example minus 6x plus 9 multiplied by 2x minus 3. Okay. I took this as an example. Okay. So now let's see. First we will multiply 2x with every number. Okay, let's multiply 2 multiplied by this 10x cubed, then minus 12x squared, then plus 18x. Now we will multiply minus 3 with all these, okay? And then we will add them. Minus 3 multiplied by this is minus 15x squared. Then minus 3 multiplied by minus 6x plus 18x and minus 27. Now we will add them. When we will add them, we will get 10x cubed minus 27x squared plus 36x minus 27. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now, let's see division of algebraic expressions. Okay, so in division also there are three things. Okay, the first is division of a monomial by monomial by monomial. So let's see this. Suppose 8x square y cube divided by minus 2xy. So here this minus will go up, so our answer will be minus 4. Here we cancel x and x squared, so it will be x, and y squared divided by y squared. This will be our answer. Okay, the second is polynomial by monomial. The second, polynomial divided by a monomial. For this, the example, let's take 20x cubed y plus 12x square y square minus 10xy whole divided by 2xy. In here, first we should divide 2xy with this, then this divided by this, then this divided by this. Okay, first let's divide. We can write this as this over 2xy plus 12x square y square over 2xy minus 10xy over. We can write this like this, or we can take common, but I'm doing by this way. So here when we will do this, we will get 10 x cubed divided by x squared, y here will cancel, okay, plus 2 and 12 divided by 2 6, x squared divided by x and y squared divided by y minus xy will cancel here and 10y. So this will become our answer. Okay, now let's look at the third one. Third one is division of a polynomial by a polynomial. I'm writing in short form. Okay, it's like, let's take okay, for example I will write here, let's take 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, and we will divide it by here x plus 1. Okay, we'll divide it by x plus 1. Okay, it's division. Okay, not root. We'll divide it by this x plus 1. Okay, first we will take 2x. It will be 2x squared plus 2x. Then we will multiply 2x with this one. Then we will minus them. It will be x plus 1 will come here, x plus 1 So 2x plus 1 and here x plus 1. It will cancel, remainder will be 0. So the quotient will be 2x plus 1 and the quotient and the remainder will be 0. Okay. So now let's look at some special products. Let's look at identity first. Okay. The first identity is a plus b whole square is when we will I will show you here when we will do this identity first. It will be a square, this multiplied by this and this multiplied by this plus ab plus ba plus b square. So in short, we can add this ones because they are like terms. So when we will add them, we will get this. Okay. Now let's look at the second identity. Second identity is also same, just here is minus. So when we will do them, it will be this. Let's look at one example for this. Suppose I say 8x minus 3 whole square. So first we should do this a square, that means 8x whole square minus 2ab and plus b whole square. When we'll do 8x square, we'll get 64x square. 8 multiplied by 2, 16, multiplied by 3, 48x, and plus 9. This will be our answer, okay? Now, let's look at the third identity. It's a square minus b square. So, the third identity is this, okay? Let's solve one. Let's take an example. Let's take an example like 9x squared minus 4y squared. Here, 4y can be written as 2y whole square and 9x squared can be written as 3x whole square. So it will be 3x plus 2y and 3x minus 2y. This will be our answer in the form a plus b and a minus b. Now, let's look at the fourth identity. It's x plus a and x plus b will give x square. We will when we expand, so we will get xa plus xb plus ab. Let's solve an example. Let's take x2, a 3x and b y. Okay, now let's solve it. X plus a and x plus b. Okay, by the format x square, that means 2 square plus a plus b, 3x plus y multiplied by 2, then plus a multiplied by b. Okay, when we will solve this, you will get 4 plus when we will multiply this, 2 multiplied by 3, 6x plus 2y plus 3xy. This will be our answer, and to arrange it in the order, it will be 6x plus 2y plus 3x squared plus 4. This will be our answer. The identities are... So thank you for watching my video, and if you like, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.